An award or sponsored research, regardless of the name, is still governed by state of Florida legislation as well as university regulations and policies. UCF's regulation that defines sponsored research can be found in Chapter 2 of the UCF regulations. Specifically in Section 2.027, it defines sponsored research as sponsored research is research executed by university employees using any university space, facilities, materials, equipment, or property, and which is financed by contract payments, grants, or gifts from any source. Then who does have the authority to oversee awards? The regulation goes on to describe the responsible offices overseeing sponsored research. Part 3, Sections A through F, places administrative, operational, and central authority for all sponsored research with either the Office of Research and Commercialization, or OR for short, and the UCF Research Foundation, a direct support organization, or DSO, for the university. UCF Policy 4-214 states, by statutory requirement, the Office of Research, OR, and the UCF Research Foundation, UCFRF, are the sole entities authorized to negotiate, enter into, and execute sponsored research contracts, to solicit and accept research grants and donations, and to fix and collect fees, other payments, and donations that may accrue from sponsored research awards. This means that Professor Pegasus and Ray, the research administrator, do not have legal authority to submit or accept sponsored research awards on behalf of the university. For both the UCFOR and the UCFRF are important divisions within the university. They are both given authority through the state of Florida, which flows down first through the UCF Board of Trustees, then to the UCF President, then ultimately to the UCF Vice President of Research. These offices are massive operations and structures that cover everything related to sponsored research. There are also departments outside of the UCFOR or the UCFRF that are responsible for certain aspects of award management, such as finance, HR, and procurement. It all must work together to ensure proper oversight. Now that we have an understanding of the organizational framework that governs an award or sponsored research, we now must understand the award to understand the life cycle.